How to play harmonics with the oboe? Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas. I'm the founder, CEO and content creator of this online music educational platform, and today I'm sharing with all of you a video in which we will learn how to play harmonics with the oboe. What's a harmonic? Harmonic sounds are one of the parameters that generate the characteristic timbre of the sound source, be it the human voice or a musical instrument. Together with other parameters, they allow us to differentiate one type of instrument from another or to recognize a person by their voice timbre. When we play a note with a musical instrument, an air pressure wave is generated. This sound wave is accompanied by a series of harmonics which give the instrument its particular timbre. How do we write the harmonics in the score? We can find different ways to represent the harmonics depending on the instrument for which it's composed or the composer's preferences for its indication. The most common way for oboists is by making a small circle over the note that will sound. To clarify it for you, I'll show each note in 4 different ways. The first one on the pentagram. The second one with an image of an oboe with closed colored holes depending on the note. The third one with a code of fingering you can make by hand in your part or score if you need it. And the fourth way, I'll play each note with the oboe. F5. F sharp, G flat, 5. G5. G sharp, A flat, 5. A5. A sharp, B flat, 5. B5. C6. 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 You can find more information about the MusicBayside Oboe project on the website musicbayside.com, where the blog, tutorials, interviews are available. You can book your online lessons and find much more content in a podcast format. Also on the social networks of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive all the weekly notifications with the new videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in MusicBayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/musicbaysideoboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.